Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible WXY. We did have a pretty strong move to the downside last week, but doesn't really change the fact that the trend is up and that there's probably a pretty good chance that it will still go up and eventually take out these previous highs. So going down to the weekly time frame, definitely a very strong move to the downside last week for sure. I would say that pretty much proves that this sets an uptrend right here is over, this last little wave up. Now, does that mean trend reversal? We don't really know. It's either going to be a trend reversal or it's going to be a correction to this last move up. I'm definitely still leaning towards correction to the last move up based on the monthly time frame. I still think there's a very good chance that this will make a higher low and eventually keep on trending up. Going down to the daily time frame, this is a very strong move to the downside, and it definitely is a break of structure. It's a break from the last 5 waves up. So that means this move down right here is either a wave A or a wave 1. And like I always say, the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave A and a wave 1, which is looking for shorter time frames. Eventually, it'll make a wave B and a wave 2, which the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B and a wave 2, which would be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So right now, in my opinion, it's not really important to know the difference as of yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is where you can start to see this is a trend. Nice little series of lower lows, lower highs. And as long as this series of lower lows, lower highs is continuing, as long as we do not get a break of that series of lower lows, lower highs, then this is still a downtrend and we should technically still be looking for shorter time frames in this wave A or this wave 1. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So in my opinion, until we get a break of that series of lower lows, lower highs, preferably on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, then we should technically be looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. There was actually a really nice shorting opportunity first thing this morning, very early London session. And if it does go up, if it does break structure, then fine, the wave A or wave 1 is over. If it doesn't go up and if it doesn't break structure, but instead just goes up, makes another lower high, then you definitely want to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend until we do get a break of that lower low, lower high series on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.